What's up, traders? It's Thursday, September 18th, and we're rolling into the open after a volatile Fed day. So we've been waiting for this for ages now. So the Dow closed higher. The S&P and Nasdaq faded off record highs as inflation fears resurfaced. So today I'm sharpening in on just two setups, one momentum breakout in AI infrastructure and one defensive renewable play. Let's set the tone before the bell, traders. So a quick recap of yesterday's tape. The S&P 500 closed down 0.1% at 6,635 cents. The Dow rose 0.6% to $46,018.32. The Nasdaq fell 0.3% to 22,261.33 cents. And the Russell rose ever so slightly to 2,407.34 cents. So the Fed's quarter point cut sparked intraday swings. Tech got sold late, banks caught a bid, gold held strong, and energy remained weak. This was a digestion day, not a collapse. Now let's have a little look at our macro pulse today. So our macro pulse, after the Fed cut, essentially Powell called it a risk management move as jobs weaken and inflation proves sticky. Inflation fears remain even after the cut. Inflation expectations hit multi-month highs. Markets are uneasy about whether this cut fuels price pressure. Rates and dollar yields eased modestly. Dollar weakened, but neither broke trend. A sudden reversal higher in yields could squeeze tech at the open. And then lastly, commodities. Gold steady near highs. Inflation hedge is alive. Oil is soft on oversupply and demand concerns traders. Locking in on sector rotation now. So tech and AI infrastructure. Momentum remains hot around cloud, semis and infrastructure suppliers. Oracle and Nvidia pulled back, but niche players are setting up breakouts. So then taking a look at healthcare and defensives. UnitedHealth and Big Pharma still showing relative strength. Institutions like quality here when inflation jitters spike. Going on to consumer. Retail resilience continues after strong back-to-school data, but discretionary is split. Premium names win, lower margin retailers lag. Alright, energy and materials. Energy equities remain soft, materials are patchy. And lastly, gold and miners, steady bid, confirming safe haven appetite. Alright, so those are our news articles for today. Alright, taking a look at our two trade setups for today. The first one is TTM Technologies, ticker symbol TTMI. And this is our AI infrastructure breakout. So why? Well, TTI builds PCB components for AI cloud infrastructure. Sales are currently up 21% year on year and earnings are up 49% year on year. Institutional buying is rising too, so nearing breakout at around 51.15 or so. So our long trigger for TTMI is open above resistance with volume, hold VWAP on retest. The profit path, target breakout zone extension and measured move. And risk or invalidation, failures under VWAP or reversal below breakout base. Alright, our second hot stock to look at today is Clearway Energy, ticker symbol CEG. This is a defensive renewable play. So why? Dividend growth and renewable energy pipeline with inflation plus rate uncertainty means yield and growth names are attractive. Pipeline in wind repowering and battery storage adds catalysts. So our long trigger for CEG. Strong open with utilities and renewables confirming. Enter on breakout above recent resistance. Then profit path. Trim into prior swing highs. Keep runner if sector rotation builds. Risk or invalidation. If yields spike, utilities often get sold. Stop under VWAP or swing low. Alright, our pre-bull checklist today, traders. Watch futures versus VWAP. Confirm tone in the first 15 minutes. Breadth. Broad participation equals trend day potential. Yields, sudden move higher, precious tech and renewables. And gold tone staying firm, defensives catch more flow. So traders, let's wrap up today. The bottom line, the Fed's cut is in, inflation is alive, and markets are searching for direction. Today I'm stalking TTMI for an AI infrastructure breakout and CEG as a defensive renewable play. That gives you one offense and one defense. Trade confirmations, respect VWAP, and don't chase early gaps. The open will tell us if bulls regroup or if defensives keep the edge. Let's nail it, traders. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video again today. I'll see you before the bell tomorrow. All the best. Take care.